everyone, it's Pam. Welcome back to another episode of my Quarantine Quick Tips. If you missed my episode yesterday on the importance of having a plan in place before you get started, just click on the iCard up there and it'll take you to that video. Now moving forward, once you have your plan in place, I thought one of the best rooms to start in this series would be the kitchen. Because let's face it, I think all of our kitchens right now during this quarantine time, they're taking a beating. So what better time to start organizing and cleaning everything out. So I thought today's tip will focus on plates. Start easy. When you're organizing, start with an easy one that doesn't take a lot of intense thinking about what you want to keep and toss, okay? So I'm gonna tackle this right now. First thing you want to do, again, with any organizing project, is clear the decks. You want to start with a clean slate so that you can envision a new setup possibly for yourself. And you can't do that if you have stuff in there. Then the second thing you want to do is to wipe down the shelves. Because over time, oh my gosh, a little piece of the garland, it collects on those shelves. Crumbs and everything, so clean it out, wipe it down. Now the third step is going through everything you've taken out. Put all of this on our kitchen island and sort through it, put it on a kitchen table, somewhere where you can spread it all out and see what you have. Then get rid of anything that's broken, that you haven't used in a year. These types of cabinets are for everyday use. They should not be housing any holiday plates or platters or anything like that. You want the goal to be ease of use. So when you get it all out on the table or the island, sort out things that don't belong in your vision. Then you will go ahead and reload it. Now the key to reloading this cabinet is to not overstuff the cabinet, all right? Now currently I have these plates, there's not a lot of them, half of our plates are in the dishwasher. But here's what I see when I'm in clients' homes. They've got the plates, and then they've got stacks of plates all the way up to the top. So if you want a plate, you gotta lift this heavy set of bowls to get to the plate. Don't overstuff your cabinets. When you go to reload, when you go to reload this cabinet, leave open space anywhere you can. Put the most used items on the lowest two shelves and then save the upper shelf for maybe the guest bowls. Like these bowls we only use for when company comes. If you do all those steps, you will have a much more organized dish cabinet. So like I said, first, take everything out. Start with a blank slate. 2, you want to wipe down the shelves. 3, sort through everything you have taken out. Get rid of anything that's broken that you haven't used in the past year, or if it's holiday stuff, move it to another location. This needs to be daily functioning items. And then when you reload, remember not to overstuff. There are products you can use that are fabulous. They're little wire racks that can separate 2 different categories, and there's also little corner stackable wire racks to help you divide things up if space is tight. I'll put links below to some of the items that I think really work well in these dish cabinets that might help you get a little more organized. Okay, I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Show me you like it by poking that like button below. And be sure to check back tomorrow when I tackle another one of these cabinets around the kitchen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Please click the subscribe button below and ring the bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos.